Hello, dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing well. So, today we are continuing our topic, that is second options of career education, that is health related careers. During the last 20 years, there has been a rapid increase in the awareness of health. Nowadays, people have become more conscious about their health. They want to be healthy and fit. They want to keep away from the various diseases such as hypertension, heart diseases, and disorders. Some disorders like obesity, diabetes, mellitus, etc. They have realized the value of health. Everyone wants to lead a healthy lifestyle. That is why health related career opportunities in the field of physical education have expanded in recent years. The very first and significant area under health related careers in health and weight control clubs. We are talking about the different careers. If you are opting physical education, so what all are the careers available? So health related career, it is very first and significant area under health related careers is health and weight control clubs. The number of health and weight control clubs has increased rapidly during the last decade. These clubs are based on the individual's desire to be physically fit or look more attractive, to have a slim and trim figure, and to look the best. These health clubs are being run by the owners or are in the form of franchisees. In fact, it has become a big industry. The main concentration is on collecting money from the public rather than trying to provide good services. But there are a number of health and weight control clubs which are reputed and have excellent programs. Physical educators may find ample job opportunities in such health and weight clubs. The activities and services provided by these clubs vary, but fitness which remain some fitness activities remain the same. The facilities to play various games such as squash, tennis, swimming, etc. are usually provided by these clubs. Other facilities like whirlpool, sauna, steam room, and massage are also offered. Instructions regarding diet and nutrition are also given to the clients. In health clubs where weight control and nutritional counseling are main concern, physical educators may evaluate the client's dietary habits so that they may reach the goal. As the interest in being fit and healthy in our grows, society grows, job opportunities also appear to be excellent. So these all are about the health and weight control clubs. As I, as I have explained you that there are many clubs which are running for the purpose of only getting the money. They are offered the things to the clients, to the people, but they are not effective because they have not a professionals working there. The physical educators, the professionals of that particular field is not working there, and the the owners or the franchisees are open these clubs, and these are now become a status symbol or big industries, but their main concentration is collecting the money from the people rather than providing them a good services. But there are many clubs which are actually doing a good job, and there are many clubs like health clubs and weight control clubs who are actually doing a good and excellent job regarding their weight control and health controls. The physical educators are working there, fitness experts are working there, and they will monitor the diets and the fitness program of the people, and according to this they will consult to the clients about their diet and fitness program. And apart from this, they will also added some, these fitness clubs mainly are of swimming, tennis and squash, but in addition they are also adding some activities in it like sauna bath, whirlpool and steam rooms and all, and some kind of massage, mud massage, oil massages. So they are offering some good massages, some good plans include with these health clubs, and it is also according to the individual's interest and requirement. Instructions regarding to the diets are also be given by the counselors. The main physical educator may be evaluate the client's dietary habits so that they may reach the goal. They may acquire the desired goal what they want. As an interest is in the being fit and healthy in our society grows job opportunities for the physical educators, because nowadays people and the society is more concerned about their fitness and the um, well-being, so fitness and health. So if they are interested, if they are keen to improve their health and fitness, so there are ample opportunities for the physical educators. Another field of career in athletic training under health related careers, but in India such careers are available only at the national level. Generally, athletic trainers work with national teams of games and sports. In India, there is little scope of job opportunities in the school and colleges, whereas in Western countries, the job opportunities for athletic trainers are widely available. An athletic trainer responsibilities to achieve a prime responsibility is related to prevent of sports injuries and rehabilitation of an injured athlete. The athletic trainer work with coaches in making and supervising the conditioning program. In conclusion, it can be said that the job opportunities for physical educators are widely available in health and weight control clubs, swimming centers, and fitness clubs. But career in athletic training is especially in India are limited. Now we will talk about athletic training career. In India, there are very less job opportunities related to athletic training career, but it is very vast in western countries, and in India also there are athletic trainers, but for the national level only, and where the athletic trainer will train the athlete for national and international level, but there are less job opportunities in school and college level. There in western countries, the athletic trainer have their job is to provide athlete a better best training for the best for the development of the performance, and they will also take care of the injuries and rehabilitation of the athlete during the conditioning and main event program. So it can be concluded that there are ample opportunities in the area of health and weight control, slimming centers, fitness clubs, and all, but there are less opportunities in athletic training, especially in India. Now we will talk about administration related careers. Owing to increased sports participation and sports related business, there is a need for individuals trained in sports management. Now, administration related related career opportunities are available in various fields such as sports administration, management of sports, management of sports clubs and facilities, sports marketing and promotion, etc. In Western countries, colleges and universities offer undergraduate and postgraduate degree in sports management. But in India, it is in the beginning stage. Through management and administration are taught as a subject at both level, undergraduate and postgraduate level, in the field of physical education. There are various fields within physical education which administration is required. In fact, administration are required not only in teaching area, but also in area not connected with teaching, such as sports programs. The careers related to administration in physical education are. Now we will talk about the administration and management career related careers, where you are planning, and these portion will be taught in undergraduate and postgraduate level, in which they are going to study about the management of sports club, facilities, sports marketing and promotion, etc. Now we will talk about different type of careers related to administration in physical education. First is Department of Physical Education. There are many universities and colleges in India where various courses of physical education are being taught. In such departments, the administration lies in the hands of chairman or head. He or she is the sole administrator of teaching department. Teachers of physical education and other clerical staff work under the chairperson or head. The senior teacher of the department usually act as the chairman. In India, there is an need for separate management qualification for such a post because it is typically based on seniority. Now, this is all about the Department of Physical Education. Now, Sports Department. There are many job opportunities related to administration in sports department. The post of director of sports exists in almost every university in India. In India, the director of sports is responsible for the administration of various programs of sports and games. These posts may be found at the district level for schools competitions. The designation of AEO sports or ADEO sports is given to them. There may be a post of assistant director of sports at the university level to assist the director of sports. The director of sport is responsible for administration of men's and women's sports and games. He or she supervise the coaches and assistant coaches. The director of sports must be acknowledgeable regarding the rules and regulation of sports competition, including the eligibility of sports participation. His or her other jobs are fixing of dates for competition, arranging officials, and planning for transportation, lodging, and boarding. He or she is also responsible for preparing the sports budget. States sports department have also administration related job such as district sports officer at district level. The coaches of various games and sports and other officials work under his or her administration. In Western countries, there are also intramurals or campus recreation programs, and these programs have also expanded to include not only students but faculty members also. The administrative work is performed by the director of intramural or director of campus recreation. Their main responsibility is to promote participation. His or her other responsibilities are approximately same as in other sports departments. So this is sports department where the director of sports and assistant director of sports is there, and their job is to look after the coaches, assistant coaches, and help the director of sports. And the director of sports is must be knowledgeable, and he must be knowing the rules and regulations of the sports and competitions. He must be updated according to the need of the sports and competition. He also must aware about the uh, competition, including the eligibility of sports participation. That means the what is the age, in which category the and the he, player will play, and also his or her other jobs are fixing the date of the competition, arranging the officials, planning for the transportation, lodging and boarding, and also responsible for preparing the sports budget. So these all are the jobs done by the sports department or the director of sports. And there are state sports department which we called as district sports officer. His job is also same. His job is administration work. So this is about the sports department. Now industrial recreation. Nowadays, many multinational companies and national companies are providing recreational and sports opportunities for their employees. These companies lay stress on the health, fitness, and well being of their employees because healthy and fit employees usually have more capacity to do work. They can increase the production, which is in the benefit of companies. Therefore, these companies need qualified professionals to direct these activities. The responsibility include establishing a program of activities, setting up a team schedule for competition, and supervising the programs related to fitness of employees. The director of industrial recreation is the designation in such companies. Now, in industrial recreation, nowadays, industries, multinational companies, national companies are also very keen to keeping their fit and healthy health of their employees, because they want that their employees are fit and healthy and well-being, because they think that if the employees are fit, healthy, and well, so they are able to do more work, and that work should be efficient. The level of efficiency will increase if the employees are fit and healthy. And for this, they recruit a, a director of industrial recreation person, the post of the professional who will look after the employees' health and their activity programs. The designation of that person is director of industrial recreation, and his or her job is establishing the sports programs, activity programs, setting up the team's schedule for the competitions, and also supervising the program related to fitness of the employees. So these all are about the industrial recreation. Now, sports facilities management. There are always a number of people and organization who want to have sports facilities where they can do exercise for remaining healthy and fit, or for the purpose of recreation. They want to get facility of gymnasium, health club, fitness center, stadiums, sports complexes, ice arenas, and aquatic center or swimming pool. In such fields, facilities managers are required. The requirement of such facilities is more in Western countries in comparison to India. In fact, we are lagging behind in this field. The sports facilities manager may perform all the responsibility, by himself, herself, or may have assistants or several staff member under his or her direction. He or she may have to perform additional responsibilities. For example, in a health or fitness club, the facility manager may also teach exercise classes or monitor individual workout. His or her main responsibility is the safety of individuals using the facility. He or she should be sure that the facility and re- requirement are maintained according to the accepted standard. In stadium, the facilities manager must ensure the safety and well-being of spectators and participants. Job opportunities are growing rapidly in this field. So, when we talk about the sports facilities management, in India, there are less job opportunity in this field, but because but in Western countries there are ample opportunities related to this field because the number of people and organization who want to have sports facilities like stadiums, gymnasiums, health club, fitness clubs, sports clubs, swimming pools, aquatic, ice arenas. If number of these facilities will increase, so the number of coaches and the caretakers and the supervisors we need, and we need a professionals of the different areas. But in India there are very less, but it will increase the day it will increase day by day. Next is performance related career. These all are the health related careers in the field of health and fitness, where you can see where you have opportunities in a health related career. Now we will talk about the performance related career. First, as a player, a large number of sports person participation in various games and sports throughout the world. They participate at various levels such as inter-school, inter-college, district level, national level, state level, international level, Olympics, World Cup, etc. But only highly skilled performance reach to that level. Sports person who are most successful in competition, they may seek their career. The job opportunities are greater in the past, but now the players are playing as a professional sports in very limited and in western areas like NBA is a team where the players are playing professionally. um, Many jobs are also available for skilled sports person in government and private sectors such as defense services, banks, companies, or industrial cooperation, railways. So these all are the careers where you can uh, doing job as a player. You are playing for the organization or some company. Now as an official, the smooth conduct of sports tournament or competition depend upon the good, as it has already been discussed above that the performance of player remain for short duration, and that players will later on they will work as an official for that particular games and sports. It is a career of approximately 10 years. After that, sports person may pursue the career as official because they know the ins and out of the game. Such type of job opportunities are available as part-time official or full-time officials. So there are various officials in the tournament such as referees, timekeepers, umpires, recorders, assistant recorder, scorer, etc. So these all are the careers related to professional. Now, career in communication media. First is sports journalism. Sports educators who have a talent for writing may opt a career as a sports journalist. The sports journalist may get opportunities to work with newspapers and in sports magazines because the space of coverage of sports news as well as the number of newspapers and sports magazines are increasing rapidly. Sports journalists may write live commentaries, live event and feature article about sports person or various topics. So these all are about the performance related career and administration related career. So today we have completed the health related career, administration related career. In administration related career, we have Department of Education, Sports Department, Industrial Recreation and Sports Facility Management. And in performance related career, the career as a player, as a official. So this is all about health related career and performance related career, um, and other careers we will discuss in our next video. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.